Hey, how's it going? It's Kevin, or Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Northwest Elementary here in Howell, Michigan, home of the Eagles, and it was just an incredible day, a very healing day. Quite a few students that came up to me after my talk that just expressed, some type of pain in their heart, some type of loss that they've been through, whether it was a pet or a grandparent or a close friend, but really just talking through all of that where they can still choose kindness despite that pain and still choose love over some of the hate that has been in their heart over that situation or over getting bullied, whatever the scenario might be. And so the main focus today dealt with diversity, kindness, and leadership, and the way that we are able to appreciate everybody around us, as my shirt says, one race human, that we're able to see everybody for that before anything else in their life. And when they start understanding that there's a lot of opinions out there, but that not all of them matter, that their true best friends will always see them as, true miracles, like the M on our palms, etched on all of our palms, M for miracle, W for worthy, then they start to kind of see that the people that might be saying these things are actually hurting themselves, and that the best way we can try to maybe change their heart or have a chance at doing that is by showing them that same kindness and compassion that was shown to us. And really the best way that we can honor anyone's true legacy, and I love the motto here at Northwest, where dreams take flight, is that these people that have gone before us or that we may have lost, right, whether it's physically or just somebody moved away or just chose to stop being our friend for whatever reason, that ultimately, we're in charge of our happiness. But we also can make the people that have gone before us make sure that they didn't die for nothing, that they continue to live on in our hearts by how we live through our actions, that we honor their legacy through our own dreams, through our own aspirations and everything that we want for this planet. And so these kids today are taking it already upon themselves to start Kindness Club here at Howell, at Northwest, start a Mr. Peace Club. We almost have one club per grade. There was kids that gave me people that signed up and they want to choose kindness. There was 20, 25 already signed up at lunch today, and they're basically saying, hey, we're going to own our school culture here, and we're going to treat people like they're supposed to be treated, see them for their heart first, treat them like we treat our best friend, and the healed people heal people concept, they're going to keep showing that love. I want to keep talking because it was just an incredible, amazing day, but I'm so blessed to have shared my heart here, and these kids just touched my heart. So I hope to be back in one day to share with you guys, but until then, keep being the change that Gandhi says we have to be for this world, because he's saying we must be the change, that it's not even a choice. We have to show that kindness, have to show that love, have to show that peace. See you soon.